Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply vignette on your picture on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the camera icon or the library icon to select a picture, then click on the tools button, which is the third option down below, and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the vignette option. As you can see, you can apply this vignette by using this scale down below. So if you position it to the right side of the screen, you can see that the vignette has been applied, so it looks like a frame. Here, if you tap on this button in the right side of the screen, you can see the difference between the original copy and the copy to which you have applied this vignette effect. So if you are done with the editing process and would like to save your picture, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.